In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable multi-currency in Xero. If you work with customers, suppliers, or bank accounts in different countries, turning on additional currencies in Xero lets you invoice, bill, and reconcile in those currencies while Xero handles the conversions in the background. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to the correct Xero organization and that you have the right user permissions. Also note that multi-currency is available on specific Xero plans. If you don't see the currencies option later, you may need an admin to adjust your plan or your access. First, go to Xero.com and sign in. Once you're on your organization's dashboard, look toward the top of the screen for your organization's name. Click the drop down next to it to open the main menu for that organization. This is where Xero keeps core settings and organization level options. From that drop down, click Settings. You'll land on a page that controls your organization's configuration, including financial settings. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right organization by checking the name at the top, especially if you manage more than one. Now, scroll down the settings page until you find currencies and click it. The currencies page shows your base currency, the primary currency your reports are prepared in, and any other currencies you've already enabled. Enabling a new currency here doesn't change your base currency. It simply lets you transact in an additional currency. Next, click Add Currency. Xero will display a list of available currencies. Select the currency you want to use. You can search by currency name or three-letter code like EUR or JPY to find it faster. Pick the exact currency you need based on where your customers, suppliers, or bank accounts are located. If you work with more than one foreign currency, you can repeat this process later. After selecting the currency, click Add Currency to confirm. Xero will add it to your organization, and you'll now be able to create invoices, bills, and bank accounts in that currency. Xero maintains exchange rates to help with currency conversions and reporting. If you notice rates that differ from those on a specific transaction date, you can review and adjust at the transaction level when needed. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If the currencies option isn't visible, check your user role or ask an advisor level user to assist. If you still can't access it, your subscription might not include multi-currency. And once a currency is in use on transactions, you generally keep it enabled for historical accuracy, so choose carefully. That's it. You've enabled multi-currency in Xero. You're now ready to set up foreign currency bank accounts and start invoicing or billing in the currencies your business needs.